I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a communication question on linear systems. Describe the solution of a linear system in the following cases. After you subtract one equation from the other, you get 0 equals to 0. Now you have to describe what kind of linear system is this. And the second case, which is after you add the two equations, you get 0 equals to 1. So what do you conclude when you get those things at the end? So we are not getting x equals to something or y equals to something. We are getting 0 equals to 0 or we get 0 equals to 1. What does that mean? You can actually pause the video, write down your answer, and then look into my suggestion. In the first case, while solving linear systems, if you're getting 0 over 0, it really means that the system is made up of two equations which are exactly same. So that could be like two overlapping or coincident lines. So if you have exactly same equations, in that case you get 0 over 0, and that really means that we have infinite solutions. Because the lines are coincident. So we are working with coincident lines, so we have infinite solutions. Do you see that? So both lines are overlapping. So the case could be x plus y equals to 2, and the other equation could be, we can write this as y equals to minus x plus 2, right? Or an equivalent to one of these equations, correct? So that system will give you 0 equals to 0, and when you solve, and that really means we are working with coincident lines, right? So that is the case. The second one is when you get, after you add the two equations, you get 0 equals to 1. So 0 equals to 1 means no solution. That means 0 equals to 1 really means no solution. So the linear system which you are trying to solve has no solution. It really means that both the lines given to you are parallel. I mean, it could be, going downwards, but they are parallel lines. So that is the case which you are working with. Parallel lines do not intersect, so we do not get any x or y coordinate point, right? So that means no solution, and it is a case when we are working with a linear system which has parallel lines. Okay, so that is how you could actually understand and describe the given situation. I'd like you to write equations and then work it out. Thank you and all the best.